which is a good confirmatory test to make sure that you do have a melting point in the right range. Makes you happier that you're dealing with the sample that you thought you were. Okay, and what we're going to do is put some of those crystals into a fine glass tube and measure the melting point. If it's a pure sample of Nembutal, it will melt at 132 or 131 degrees. The fine glass tubes we use are these. The process is that we put some of that white powder in there. We use a blade for that. So we scrape a bit of the powder together on the filter paper. Put it into the end of the glass tube. We've moved some of the white powder that we've dried out on the filter paper into the capillary tube and tapped it till it's formed a little area at the bottom which is made up of the white crystals. We're now going to measure the melting point of those crystals. Left-hand side one is gone. Yeah.
It's going, I think.
It's gone.
Yep.
It's all gone now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But the other two haven't.
No.
They should go between 129, which is now, and 131.
Okay.
They were 129.2. So if they went now, I wouldn't be worried. But that first one went early. I've never seen that before, so that's something fishy about that sample. Now it's 130, and the one on the right's going. I can see the one on the right's going. In fact, it's gone. The one on the right's gone, true? 130.6, that's good. Yeah, one in the middle's going to. So those two are good. But oh hell, I don't know, I'm suspicious about the first one. The middle one is actually a bigger sample, sometimes it takes a smidgen longer, but that's certainly going to go before 133. So those two are fine. The two on the right are fine, but the first one that went in is not a good, there's something funny about the sample. We've only seen one that hasn't done well there, and it was also the same sample that had done less satisfactorily in the earlier titration tests.